solve del square z by del x into del y is equal to x by y, subject to the conditions del z by del x is equal to log x base e when y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Jayanti Deepa, mute your audio. When x is equal to 1. Okay, this question is appeared in June 2006. Okay, then write the question. Okay, completed. Then first, okay, observe here del square z by del x into del y is there, no? Del y is equal to x by y is there. Okay, then here first del x by del square z by del x by del y. Okay, then I will change it here. Del square z by del x is nothing but same only. Okay, del square z by del x del x into del y is equal to del square z by del y into del x into del x. Del square z by del x into del y is equal to del square z by del y into del x. Okay, then here observe here del square z z by del x del y is equal to this one I'm writing. Okay, del square z by del y into del x is equal to x by y. Understood what I am telling? In place of del square z by del x into del y, I am taking del square z by del y into del x is equal to x by y. Why I am taking this type means, observe the condition here. What is there in observe the condition here? Del z by del x is equal to log x base e is there. Okay, if you take del z by del x into del y is equal to x by y, integrating with respect to here, this we are taking del into del square z by del z by del y is equal to x by y is equal to x by y. Karthik, unmute your audio. Karthik. Okay, if you do the direct integration, what will happen? Do the direct integration, del by del x is get cancelled. Okay, we will get del z by del y is the condition is not given. Del z by del y, the condition is not given. Here del z by del x condition is given. Okay, del z by del x condition is what here? Log x base e, log x base e. Okay, del z by del x is equal to log x base e is there. Okay, I mean, sir, we don't know the condition of del z by del y. That's why we are interchanging here. Del square del z into del y is equal to del square z by del y into del x. Okay, in place of del square z by del x into del y, we are writing del square z by del y into del x. Take down this one, del square z by del y into del x is equal to del by del y, del z by del x. Okay. Now do it integrate. Then now do it integration. What will happen? Del by del y is get cancelled. Del z by del x will come. Okay. Here initial condition is there. Log x base. This one. Then here del square z by del y by del x is equal to x by y is there. Okay, del square z by del y by del x, we are writing del by del y into del z by del is equal to x by y is equal to x by y. Okay. Do the integration. Do the integration. Del by del y. Okay, del by del y. Partially differentiating with respect to y is there. Means what will happen? Integrating with respect to y, we have to do here. Integrating with respect to y, we have to do here. Okay, means integration. Then integration and del by del y. Into del z by partial x by y into dy plus k, write down here f1 of x. Differentiating with respect to x means differentiating with respect to y means y is varying, x is a constant. X is a constant means f1 of x means f1 of x. Okay. Then del by del y into, okay, del by del y into del z by del x into dy. Okay, integration and partial difference. Okay, x into log y plus f1 of x plus f1 of x. Then again integrate. Then again integrate. Integrating with respect to x. Okay, integrating with respect to x. What will happen here? Z is equal to integration of x log into dx plus integration of f1 of x plus f of x plus g of y. Here in partition x means y is a constant. Y is a constant means, okay. Then z is equal to then do the integrating with is equal to integration of x log y into dx. Integration of x dx is what? X square by 2 into, okay, plus integration of x. Write down here capital F of x plus g of, okay, this is the required answer. Write down neatly. I will give 1 minute time. Write down. Completed. Then next step, condition write down here. In the problem, the condition is what here? Okay, your condition is del z by del x, del z by del x is equal log x base c. Okay, when y is equal to 1. Okay, then call it as this is equation number 2. Z is equal to x square by 2 into log y plus f of x plus gy. Call it as equation number 2. Then del z by del x is equal to x log
Your voice breaking.
x log y plus f1 of x, call it as equation number 1. Call it as equation number 1. Okay. Then write down here equation number 1. Equation 1. That by voice break ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? My voice is audible properly?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
Okay. Still breaking only?
No, ma'am.
Okay, here del z by del x, del z by del x x log y plus f of x. Okay. Then here del z by del x is what here log x base c is equal to x log 1 plus f of x. In place of f of x, write down f of x. Then log 1 is what here? Log 1 is what? 0. Okay, here. Then log 1 1 base c is equal to 0 means log x base c is equal to x log 1 is 0. No, this will becoming a 0. F of x, f of x. Okay, then f of x is equal to log x base c, log x base c. Okay, then take down next condition. What is the next condition here? Um, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1. Then take down equation 1, take down equation 2 here. Okay, write down equation 2. Z is equal to x square by 2 log y plus f of x plus g of y. Okay, then here z is equal to, z values what here? Z is equal to 0, substitute z, z is equal to 0, then x is 1, 1 by 2, then log y, then log y, then plus capital F of x is nothing but integral of f of x into dx. One second, something is happening. Integral of f of x into dx plus g of y plus g of y. Okay, then here integral of f of x is what here? Log 1, f of x is 0, 1 by 2 log y in plus integral of f of x is log x base c into dx plus g of y plus g of y. Okay, then okay, then observe here integral of log x base c we have to integrate. Okay, here we have to apply the integrating by parts. We have to apply the integrating by parts. Okay, here integral of log x base e into 1 into dx is there. Okay, then integration of log here take down here u is log, take down u is equal to log x base e and v is equal to 1 and v is equal to 1. Okay, here then you know that integral integrating by parts, integration of uv dx is equal to u, yeah, u is always take down polynomial. Okay, and v is exponential and logarithms and also sine. Okay, sine ax. Okay, then here u is equal to in the according to this take down here u is equal to log xe. Okay, then next u integration of v dx minus double integration of v u dash into dx. Okay, then apply here integration of log x base e integration of 1 into dx minus then minus then double integration of double integration of 1 u dash is a differentiation of log x is 1 by x dx into dx. Okay, dx into dx. Then log x base c. Integration of 1 dx is what? Integration of dx is x minus in first integration. Okay, we will get it x by x dx into dx. Okay, then next here write down here x into log x base c. Here x get cancelled. Then integration of 1 dx. Then x log x base c. Okay, then integration of dx is plus integration of dx is x. Integration of dx is x. Okay, write down. I will give 1 minute time. Write down. Any doubt in this problem? Any?
No. Done.
Okay, completed. Then here f of x is equal to what f of x is nothing but here integration of f of x into dx. Then f of x is what here log x base c into dx. Just now we found integration of log x base c is nothing but x log x base c minus x. Okay, means f of x is equal to f of x is equal to x log x minus x log x base c. Okay, then then we got f of x is this much x log x base c is base c minus x. Okay, then z is equal to here z is equal to x square by 2 log y plus f of x plus g of y. Okay, z is equal to 0 here. We are substituting here 0. X square by 2 write down as it is. Then log y plus f of x is nothing but x log x base c minus x. X log x base c minus x. Okay. Then plus g of y plus g of y. Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we need to find the g of y values here. G of y is equal to minus x shifted to whole first term, second term and third term shifted to LHS part. Okay, what will happen here? Minus x square by 2 log y minus x log x base c plus x plus x. Okay. Here y also we have to put y also we have to put the 0 now here means log 0 values. Okay, here x also we have to put the values minus 1 by 2. Okay. Here put z is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. No? Z 0 x square by 1 by 2 log y plus here x f of x is x log x base e minus x. Here also put the values 0, 1 by 2 log y plus 0, x value is 1 and log 1 base e minus x minus x values here 1 year. Then next step 0 is equal to 1 by 2 log y, then plus log 1 base e is 0 here. Okay, this is 0, then minus 1. Okay, minus 1 plus g of y plus g of y. Okay, here g of y is equal to g of y is equal to minus 1 and 1 by 2 log y is shifted to LHS side. It will become minus 1 by 2 log y. Okay, you know that log of m to the power of n is equal to n into log m. Okay, means n log m, we are writing m log m to the power of n. Okay, then 1 minus log of y to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, then log of y to the power of 1 by 2. Y to the power of 1 by 2, we are writing square root of y. Means g of y is equal to 1 minus log square root of y. Square root of y. Okay, we found f capital F of x. Capital F of x is what here? X log x minus x. Okay, g of y is also substitute. F of x and g of y, we have to substitute it in equation 2. Okay, we have to substitute it in equation 2. Take down equation 2. Take down equation 2. Then equation 2. Equation 2 is what here? Z is equal to x square by 2 into log y. Okay, plus f of x plus g of y plus f of x plus g of y. Okay. Then z is equal to x square by 2 log y plus f of x is x log x minus x plus g of y is 1 minus log of square root of y. 1 minus log of square root of y. Okay, this is the required answer. Okay, any doubt? Write down neatly.
No doubt.
Write down.